This is dividing using a number line. So it is a counting up method in order to divide. So you're actually going to use multiplication to complete your division. So you start by drawing a line, and you can put 0 at the start and 87 at the end. So we're looking at 87 divided by 3. If you're not feeling as confident, you can put some clues in the corner to help you with your 3 times table, because we're dividing by 3. So you can have 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 5 times 3 equals 15, and 10 times 3 equals 30. So if you're ever feeling a little bit stuck, you can just choose one of the calculations from the cloud. You might end up with a few more steps, but you would still get the same answer in the end. So I'm going to start off by choosing 10 times 3. So here I'm going to put 10 times. You'll see why we're going to get to the end. And then I'm going to do 0, add 30 is 30. And then I'm going to have a look. So I've got from 30 to 87. I'm going to try the same one again. 10 times. So 10 times 3 is 30. 30 add 30 is 60. Now, I can see that I can't go for 10 times again, because that's going to end up in the 90s, and that's too high. So I'm going to go for a slightly smaller number, and this time I'm going to go for 5 times 3. So I'm going to put 5 times in the little hill, and 5 times 3 is 15, so 60 add 15 is 75. Now, from here you might be able to work out how many you need, or if you're feeling a little bit more unsure, then you can start using these lower calculations. So this time I'm going to go for 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 75 add 6 is 81. And then if I'm not feeling as confident, or if I am, I can pick whichever one feels best. So I might just go this time for 1 times 3 is 3. So 81 add 3 is 84. And then 1 times 3 again. So 84 add 3 is 87. And then I add it up. 10 add 10 is 20, add 5 is 25, add 2 is 27, add 1 is 28, add 1 is 29. So the answer to that calculation, 87 divided by 3, is 29. So for this one, we are going to be doing division on a number line with the answer containing a remainder. So just like before, I'm going to draw my number line, start at 0 to 89, and then I'm going to put my little cloud of clues in the corner just in case I need them. So 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 5 times 3 is 15, and 10 times 3 equals 30. Okay, so just like before, I am going to choose one of these from the cloud to assist me, or you could do another times table, multiplied by 3, whatever you feel more comfortable with. But I'm going to start with 10 times. So into my hill, I'm going to put 10 times, and 10 times 3 is 30, so 0 add 30 is 30. Then I'm going to go for it again, 10 times. So 10 times 2 is 30, so 30 add 30 equals 60. And then this time I'm going to go for 5 times, so 5 times is 15, so 60 add 15 is going to be 75. And then I might go for 2 times, so 2 times 3 is 6, 75 add 6 is going to be 81. And then I'm going to go for 2 times again. So 81 add 6 is 87. And then if I count up, 87, 88, 89, I've only got 2 more left, and the smallest is 3. So I'm just going to put a line here and it's going to be remainder 2. I've got 2 left over that I can't do anything with because it's smaller than 3. So then I'm going to count it up: 10, 20, 25, 27, 29, remainder 2. So 29, remainder 2 is the answer.